Hello and welcome to Time News. In today's segment, our episode covers 9 noteworthy news items to bring to your attention. At the very beginning, we are glad to announce that TimePie is going to stage its 4th Longevity Forum on December 9th to 10th. The event will bring together esteemed scientists, entrepreneurs, investors, and enthusiasts in the field from China and globally. New studies regarding anti-aging food. A natural substance called aspartame or HES, which can be found in oranges, grapefruits, and other citrus fruits, is proven to fight problems like muscle loss that comes with age. Specifically, HES on older mice made their muscles stronger and fixed their immune system. Another study looked at how taking certain vitamins and natural nutrients can help prevent DNA damage. They found that vitamins like A, C, and E, as well as minerals like selenium and zinc, might help keep our DNA healthy. A study issued on The Lancet revealed that using chest radiographs, the developed AI model can estimate age effectively in healthy individuals and show associations between age and various chronic diseases. Having more babies shorten life can change when individuals have different resources. Using fruit flies, researchers discovered that changing the young larvae's diet can switch how many babies they have and how long they live as adults. A team of Oliver Hahn from Stanford University proved that aging of glial cells was particularly accelerated in white matter of brain. Rejuvenation interventions, including young plasma injection and dietary restriction, showed distinct effects on gene expressions in specific brain regions, which helps target age-related cognitive decline. The study is now out on Cell. Next, to latest findings about Klotho, the so-called longevity protein. The study published in Nature Aging found that platelet factor 4 was discovered to enter the brain from the bloodstream, enhancing cognition through Klotho. This mechanism potentially offered cognitive benefits in both young and old mice. Then, a study discovered that Klotho levels were possibly associated with telomere length among high-stress mothers of children with an autism. Klotho levels and telomere length may be associated through a coordinated downregulation of longevity factors. Chronic stress is also linked to aging-related diseases and shortened lifespan. Researchers from University of Minnesota suggest that stress, especially from tough social situations, may trigger key aging mechanisms like cellular senescence, inflammation, and DNA damage. And that concludes this week's edition of Time News. We trust you gained valuable insights from these updates. Join us again next week for more. Thank you and wish you a joyful and extended life.